Judge delays sentencing in Trump's New York criminal case, pushing decision past election. A New York judge has delayed former President Donald Trump's sentencing date in his criminal case for a second time, allowing Trump to wait until after the election to learn his fate after his conviction in his hush money case. Trump has been scheduled to be sentenced in this case on September 18th. His attorney asked on August 14th for his sentencing to be pushed back until after the presidential election, arguing that a delay is necessary to resolve ongoing legal challenges to his conviction. Me personally,
I'd throw him in jail. I mean,
I've never heard on. Listen, I've been through some shit in life. I've never heard them be able to say, okay, you got convicted. Now I'm challenging my conviction, and so I need more time before you sentence me so I can see if I can get my way out of this conviction. You've already been convicted, bro. That's what appeals are for. You appeal, and then you go through the process of appeal. It takes years. Okay, like regular man, it's going to take you years to go through that. Go sit down in jail, get these 34 felonies that you just got found guilty of, because you're guilty of them. Guilty. Right now, that's 35. What is that? Peers, 12 of your peers.
12 of your peers
said you're guilty.
First of all, they put it through a grand jury.
Yeah,
the grand jury found you guilty.
Period.
So I mean, this is the epitome. This is what I'm saying.
Privilege.
This is what American white privilege is.
Yeah, I mean,
you've been found guilty of 34 felonies, but they're giving him a chance. They're like, look, we're going to give you a chance to see if you win the election, because he's cooked if he don't win it. So for him, win or lose, he going to help burn this country down.
And I'm going to be real. They had to do this. And I'm not going to say, I'm not so delusional about this situation. And they could not have sentenced him before the election.
You could have. They should have. They would have done everybody else like that.
I understand that. I get it. But
I watched Tariq Hill get choked out before a football game and away from the state. I'm just saying.
Hey, you know what? I agree 110%. 110% I agree. However, what I'm saying is, if they take this man and they put him on trial, they put him up for sentencing, and they're going to have to, you got 34 felonies, bro. How am I going to give you probation with 34 felonies? You took them to the box and you got found guilty of all 34. I cannot give you probation on that.
He's still free talking mess online, and they're like, we're going to wait till after the election. Like, even if he loses, he's going to be like, no, they cheated. They want to see me in jail. Burn the country down. Let's start a new one. He's going to start us. You should let him campaign from prison.
I mean, how do you think that that's going to be received? Do we think that, okay, first of all, they already feel like, because they waited for all these years, they should have took his ass straight to the, you know what I mean?
They gave him time just like they give everybody else. I've seen cops shoot black people on TV, and they wait 3 years to prosecute them. Hey, get your affairs in order.
No. But no, that's not how they do it. That's not that. What they do is they'll charge him. They never charged him. They should have charged his ass as soon as the shit happened. Charge his ass.
They had to make sure they had all the evidence. This is the first time they had to prosecute.
2 years.
They had to prosecute the
3 years.
They should have got him out. Look, I told you how I feel about January 6th.
They had the 2022. They had the, was it 2022 is when they had the panel, when they had January 6th committee. They had all the evidence right there. Charge his ass immediately. What are we doing? Charge him. I mean, get this out the way.
Like, are we really going to throw him in jail as a president?
He wasn't the president at the time.
You know what I mean? Make sure they had all the evidence there, which they had it anyway. Check it out. I'm like this. He's supposed to get sentenced on the 18th. You should have locked him up. He should be in jail awaiting sentencing.
How are you going to do that though? I mean, and when you know, okay, it already looks suspicious that you waited this long to take him to trial. Now you're going to, in the heat of battle, where they've already got one of these presidents, they've got him out the box. I done got Joe Biden out the way. I done almost got shot. I done Kamala Harris came in here now. You know what I'm saying? She got her, her spark.
No, think about it.
You get what I'm saying?
Postpone it. You know what I'm saying? He's like, look, man, they tried to kill me. Now they locking me up.
You understand what I'm saying?
He's like, I'm Tupac right now, baby.
You understand what I'm saying?
I'm Tupac.
You cannot. It's like you're at a point right now where you cannot, bro, like take him to trial right now. It'll turn the middle, what you call yourself, an independent, pretty much a moderate. Yeah. Like you're in the middle. You know what I'm saying? It will turn all the independents against the Democratic Party, against the other party.
I don't think so much. I mean, you're looking at, he committed a crime and he went to jail.
It looks strange.
The Democrats look bad anyway, especially what they did in California with blocking the reparations bill.
Oh, man, it looks horrible right there.
Played themselves. Lost the whole state. The whole state.
They'll be fine. They'll still vote. What are they going to do, vote for Trump? I mean, I think that's
you just don't vote.
I'm surprised they let it go this far and then stopped it. But you want to, like I said, again, Elliot brought up the fact that I think that it was the one in Oregon, the $30,000. He said that they only got $700,000 in a grant for that, so it was only $700,000. So he said about 23 people or something like that he came out with. What I'm saying is, like, I'm surprised they let this stuff go through. but you're not allowing reparations to go through. You got it all the way here. You've already got all the votes. You did everything. All you had to,
and then we talked about reparations last time. Did I explain that to everybody?
Yep.
How the reparations wasn't. It's not money it's money that's owed.
Money that's
like
owed.
That's what they told them they would get. They're supposed to give them a piece of land. I can't remember which state. I don't know if it was Virginia or South Carolina. They're supposed to give the African slaves a piece of land, and that equals the 40 acres and a mule.
Yeah.
But Abraham Lincoln was killed, and the president came behind him. He reneged on the deal.
Yeah.
So the money's owed. It's owed to the families. You could be like, whoa, no one here was in slavery, and nobody here owned slaves. No, it's not about that, bro. You owe this to the people.
The bigger thing is that it doesn't matter if these people here were not this. Everyone it's a perfect example is this statue right here with the man with the world on his back right here. I don't know who the name of that person is. It's like one person carries the load for the next person to have a lighter one. That's what your grandparents, great grandparents, great great grandparents did for you. They were put in a position where they could get money from the government and buy homes and buy equipment for their businesses, start businesses, get land for free. And this was passed on generation to generation to help you get to where you are. We didn't get that at all. And most of us come from people who were enslaved. Most of us, a good portion of us, probably 80, 90% of us, if not 100%.
Yeah, my great-grandma, Mama Helen, her mom was a slave, and I met Mama Helen. That's how close it is. I met this woman.
You get what I'm saying?
She passed away in like 96, bro. I met this woman. Her mom was a slave. That's how close it is. And slavery didn't end. Everyone's like, all right, we're all buddy now. No, went to Jim Crow. Then they had 5%. It's a whole bunch of stuff. Anyways, back on the topic.
Yeah.
All right. And we're gonna let y'all know. And tomorrow, catch up with us. We're gonna be doing a lot of live streaming. We're gonna be doing our thing. This is uncommon courtesy.
On Sundays, especially too. Make sure you guys catch up with us on Sundays at 1 p.m. That's Pacific Standard Time. We're going to be doing a live stream every Sunday at 1 p.m. We want you guys to join in on that live stream, especially on all of our different platforms, so you guys can make sure that you're, check it out on this one. But we want to make sure we can get questions from you guys live. We can answer them for you. We can have really good debate with everybody, have a really good conversation. This is Uncommon Courtesy.
Yeah, we'll see y'all next time.